Desde Monterrey, el Regio. Y ahora las Filipinas, el Regio y la China. ¡Vámonos! What's up, guys? Welcome to Mexican in the Philippines. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to the market. So I'm gonna move the Lambo off the way. Right now, we can move the Lambo.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything.
If I ever get a new Lambo, right here, I'm gonna put an extension, like just a little roof. That way, when I come, I'm just gonna park it right here, and it's always gonna be in the shade, you know. And then right here, I'm always gonna leave the old Lambo. All right, so we're getting bottles. We're getting Sting. Oh, I forgot my cuarta. Gotta buy massage oil for the China. All right, we're gonna wait on her. Well, I'm gonna go put this in the Lambo. Yeah, look at the weather. It's pretty nice. It's almost 10. All right, I'm gonna put this right here. I really wish I could put the cargo box, man. This is why I painted this one. You know, but when I lost the keys to that. So now we have nothing. You ready? Wow, guapa. Almost there right now. Look, we're gonna be what do you call it? Oh, the lady lost her one. We're gonna go to the market. I'm gonna leave you there, baby, and then I'm gonna go to where am I going? What was I gonna do? Pick up some money. Why you sent me? Esta loca. Well, I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven. I gotta talk louder. Oh, I'm gonna go buy you your massage oil.
Yeah, buy it right there where I'm at. The pharmacy, barato lang.
Oh,
97 naman siguro.
100?
97.
Oh. Alright, guys. Man, it's a beautiful weather, guys. Make sure you back the like button and subscribe to
Mexican and the Philippines.
Say it louder, they can't hear it.
I say it louder.
Say it one more time.
Mexican and the Philippines.
Woohoo! Love that. Alright, guys. Man, it's a beautiful day. You know what that means? We need some. Man, what do we need today? I'm gonna see if they got my Pepsi, but voila. Or maybe, oh, look at the Suzuki Espresso. Gonna take the bottle with me right now. Right there. Man, that color's nice, bro. Anyways, I'm right here. I'm going to buy some massage oil for the chinas. Right here at the, oh, it's this one. Talan, this one. Ayo. Talan. Talan? Oh.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.
Let me put this.
Tell me that I can't show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me. explosive, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
I'm gonna go around though because there's the police checkpoint right there or whatever, and you never know when they're just gonna decide to. You never know when they're gonna decide to just whatever. See, that's what we need. Those small coconut trees. You see that small coconut trees, bro? They have some like that. Uh, you see, this one is higher. You see how now there's some coconut trees, some palm trees that are smaller. Here's another one at the right. You see that? I wish my lot had those because man, I could harvest that by myself. Well, not all the process, it's a process, but you can save a little bit if you get them down yourself. Like you see these coconuts on the left, those are huge right there. Look how high they are. Man, look at the mountain in the back, so beautiful, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in the province. Gorgeous day. Oh my god. I'm gonna go see if there's people there to cut my hair because I'm looking kind of nappy. Let's see. Let's see right now.
Get the water.
Right, guys. Got my hair cut. Yeah.
You need to go, but you want me to go.
Well, if I tell you what, maybe you're tired. I don't know. So these are the things right here. All of these things. Where you gonna get the sting? Hey guys, hop back the like button. Tell them China. Why you feel like you need some energy or what? Didn't buy you ice cream?
So,
I
I told you buy me the stick. Oh, the one that is like this.
stick of what?
This. Go get the bottle.
She wants a stick of. I don't know. What do you want?
The tequila?
What is that? She's so shy. 25.
Ay, mga flavor niya.
Wow.
Mayo ka.
What is that called?
May nasa burot yan.
Chirtala.
25. I'll keep the change. 7.
Keep the change. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's pretty cool how they do it. Got their own little thing in the bag. How much? How much you say that thing was? 75. Oh, but it's probably too much, baby, for 75.
Your Pepsi is too much.
My Pepsi's too much. You don't want some fry right here?
Maliit pero ayaw na lang.
Huh?
No, I don't.
My wife is acting shy, guys. Like we
I'm not
just.
shy, I just don't want the baby. Wala, wala naman yan. Kapit na. Paul, kumantay ka, Dodong?
Acting shy, like we just met or something.
Gugit na
Look,
botelya ba?
they have I. You're so mean. You're so mean to your husband. You just use the part time to work. I'm embarrassing. I'm embarrassing her. But that's what I do, man. That's what Rachel do. You know what I'm saying? In real life, I'm a comic book. A lot of people don't know me all the way. But yeah, I know. Like Gina says, she's not shy, guys. But she in reality she is. She's shy. Like when it comes to being in public, sometimes it's nice. What ready to take part? So she got the Cobra. Scene. All right, guys, let's put the Cobras. Ya se subió la, ya se subió la Preggy. The Preggy's in there. You ready? All right, we're going right here to see if we can buy some egg and um. We're also gonna see if we can find some type of coffee. That way we can resell it at the store and look for something for lunch. I don't know why the battery on this camera is like losing. You know what I'm saying? China got her hat on today. That little car. I can grab one.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm playing.
Cabron.
Cabronas. Here. Say it again and I won't buy it. Cabronas. Wanna go right there in the corner? Alright, so far, I got me a haircut. I've been blogging all day. And I got home. We just got to the castle from the market. All the stuff in there. So it's a nice day, and it looks like we get. Here comes the. So what? Ready to go or what?
Man, I want to sleep. I have a lot of stuff to do.
Well, we're about to figure out what we're gonna eat. You want chicken or what?
Chicken na lang for me.
Fried chicken. Okay, tara. All right, guys, y'all know what to do. Hop pack the like button. All right, guys, we're home. Just gonna put these things down. Put it right here for China. We just leave them in the box. We used to take them out, but they break. So we just leave them in the box. She comes and she opens it. And we left one of the bags over there because it's super big. Mira. Yeah, I've been having problems with that one since they took it off. Where's the butter I got last time? It was only like 45 pesos. This one was more expensive. This one's 65. Ah, la madre. Look, they have cheese right here, man. But this cheese is Pila.
145. 145. No, 45 only.
45? Okay. Talk to that one. Alright, so she's over here trying to get some huevo. Oh, you want me to buy you pancake mix?
Bakit?
I need like 10 pesos though. Come on, you're gonna want it. We're just gonna have it there in the house. Okay, you don't want
Chicken.
it? Alright, it's not there no more. Where is it right here? No. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at this. Vanilla nut chunky cup. Wow, that looks pretty wild. Oh yeah, I forgot. Where's the chicken?
So their Yakult is 15 pesos.
I only got 30 left. You're buying chicken or you're cold?
Tadi sibila po. Pwede ko mamili.
Sila lang. Oh yeah, yeah. Give me one too. It's pretty fine. For how much is this?
That's 25.
Oh, just Kani 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 kani.
Kani isa sibila po. Kani pila po. You wanna try that?
Okay, come on, look at that.
Kanina lang, interesting.
Go. Alright.
Oh, it's open.
Come on, baby, it's gonna rain. It's leaking oil. Look. Alright, guys, vámonos. Vámonos, vámonos. Wow, look at that green little green cab. That's what we need, baby, one day. Man, look at those buses. Way different than the others. That's cheap. Pila. Wow, man, that green multi cab is nice. Look at all the chickens right there. That's what we need. We need to sell chickens like that. You know, they're selling chickens right now, right there. You see that?
That one don't sell that. That one don't sell. That one is need to feed them.
Ah,
They're always eating.
you don't need to have a lot.
They really want.
Yeah, you're always laying there. You don't need to have a lot, baby. Anyway, it's time to go home, guys. Hop back that like button.
Mo, say mo ulit nami.
Moole mali.
Mo ulit nami.
Moole mali. Mali or Ali?
Mali.
Moole nami. Like that. Oh wow, that sounds good. That sounds cool. Moole nami. Look, guys, got some Netflix and just Hungarian sausage with the cheese. Mm. Let's eat, guys. Got on. Mm. On.
It sounds like
Hey guys, we got our little snack. Snack, cause I'm still gonna cook right now. Mmm. Mmm.
asa na mag-sauce diha.
Oh, I tell you to get the food ready. No, this one is. Which one was this? When testing, guys. This one is fried though. Ah, they sell it really. It's really good. Mmm. Mmm. Super crunchy, guys. Look. That's one of the best chickens out here. The one right there. Mmm. Mmm. Filipinos know how to cook their fried chicken. I'll give them that. They cook really good fried chicken. Mmm.